If you have been involved in any type of work that might have involved exposure to asbestos, then you will want to view this video. This may apply to you if you worked on the railroad, in the construction field, or even in different types of factories where you may have been exposed to asbestos. What you really need to understand is that you might not have any symptoms related to this asbestos exposure for a really long time. It might actually lie in your body dormant for many years. But there are some very common symptoms that might be experienced, so it is nice to know what. Initially, you might begin to notice that you are having a very difficult time breathing. This shortness of breath could be related to any asbestos exposure that you may have experienced many years ago. Therefore, if you continue to have difficult time breathing and you are not getting any relief, you will want to talk to your doctor about this. Another symptom could be chronic coughing as well. There are times when you might think that you are simply dealing with a common cold. But, as you continue to deal with this cough, you might start to think that you are suffering from something else. Chronic coughing is a common side effect of asbestos exposure, and it can definitely result in more serious complications down the road. Because of that, you really need to speak to your doctor and let them know the work that you once did. Explain to them that you are concerned that you might be suffering from asbestos exposure. This could really help them determine the correct diagnosis and treatment. Along with the difficulty breathing and the chronic coughing that you might be experiencing, you could be experiencing chest pain. This is frightening for just about anyone, and it should be discussed with your doctor as well. You really do not want to wait too long to discuss issues such as this. It could end up being life or death. Also, if you were exposed to asbestos, then you will want to make sure that you are open and honest about all of your symptoms. Asbestos exposure can lead to serious health issues such as mesothelioma. If you fear exposure, ensure you receive prompt medical attention. For more information on asbestos exposure and mesothelioma, visit www.mesotheliomaasbestosinfo.org.